Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic Fourier series. This is the fourth video regarding Fourier series. Today we are going to see the problems based on even and odd functions. Okay. Here, as we have seen in two videos, we find a0, an, bn. But unnecessary work is evaluating the Fourier coefficients a0, an, bn can be avoided if the function is even or odd. If we know that function is even and or odd, then we can easily find these coefficients. So before starting this video, this is my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim sir. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us begin the topic. So even and odd properties. First of all, see the definitions. What is even function? If f of minus x is equal to f of x plus f of x for all x, then it is called even function. Examples: x square, x power of 4 plus 1, e power of x plus e power of minus x, cos x, sec x, etc. are the examples. Note here the graph of an even function is symmetrical about y-axis. Now odd function. If f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x for all x, then it is called odd function. Example: x, x cube, x power of 5 plus 2x cube plus 3, sin x, cosec x, etc. Note here the graph of an odd function is symmetrical about the origin. Okay, now let us see two important things. First, Fourier cosine series. Fourier cosine series. If f of x is an even function, okay, cosine series means even function between minus pi to pi. So this f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx, where a naught value is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx, an is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Here we need not to calculate bn, as bn value will be 0. This is the advantage if we know even and odd. Now next definition, Fourier sine series. So Fourier sine series, if the f of x is odd, okay, so sine series means odd between minus pi to pi, then f of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sine nx, where bn is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x sine nx dx. Since Fourier sine series is odd, a naught an will be 0. Let us see some problems. Find the value of a naught, a2 in f of x is equal to x in the range minus pi to pi by Fourier series. See solution. This is your f of x given problem. Let us check f of minus x. Substitute minus x. Minus as it is. What is x value? Nothing but f of x. Since f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, therefore f of x is an odd function. That means it contains only sine terms bn. Therefore a naught and a2 will be 0. Okay, now next question. If f of x is equal to mod x in minus pi to pi, find a1 in the Fourier series f of x. See, this is f of x is equal to mod x in the series. Here see, mod x means it will be x in the interval 0 to pi. Now f of minus x is equal to mod of minus x. Mod of minus x means mod x. Mod x means that is f of x. So f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. It is an even function. Even function means an formula is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx. But our question is find a1. a1 means wherever n is there, substitute 1. So n value become 1, 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos 1x. But what is f of x? Mod x. Mod x means x. So x cos x means we will use Bernoulli's rule. So this is u, this is v. So what is u? U minus u dash integration of x 1 cos x integration sin x integration minus cos x. Now upper limit minus lower limit, pi sin x minus 0 sin 0, minus into minus plus, cos pi minus cos 0. Sin terms will be 0, sin pi 0 minus 0, cos pi minus 1, cos 0 minus 1, minus as it is cos 0 1. So 2 by pi minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 by pi. This is a1. Next, find the constant term. Constant term. You know what will be the constant term? This is a naught. So find the constant term means a naught in the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x plus x cube in minus pi to plus pi. So this is our f of x. Let us check f of minus x. So minus x plus minus x whole cube, minus x as it is, minus x cube means minus of x cube, take minus common, x plus x cube. But what is x plus x cube? F of x. Since minus is there, it means f of x is an odd function. So it is a Fourier sine series where constant term a naught is 0. Okay. Now next question. See here, in the Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to cos ax. First question. In the interval minus pi to plus pi, then f of x is equal to sin ax minus pi to pi. Find the value of a naught. So we have to find a naught for these two questions. Now first question, f of x is equal to cos ax. What is cos ax formula? E power of ax plus e power of minus ax by 2. Since it is Fourier series, now let us check f of minus x. So e power of a as it is minus x plus e power of minus a into x means minus x. So a into minus x minus ax plus minus a into minus x plus x. Same it is cos ax. Cos ax nothing but f of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. It means it is an even function. So even function means a naught formula 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. What is f of x? Cos ax. Cos ax integration sin ax by a between 0 to pi. Now upper limit x pi minus 0, sin a pi minus sin a h 0. So here that a by 2 pi into a, 2 by a pi are constant outside. So sin 0 0, so sin a pi will be the answer. So a naught answer is 2 by a pi sin a pi. Now next question, f of x is equal to sin ax. What is sin ax formula? E power of ax minus e power of minus ax by 2. in the Fourier series. Let us check f of minus x. So e power of a, x means minus x means minus x. So e power of a minus x minus into minus plus ax. Take out minus common, so this value will first and this one will second position. This is nothing but our sin ax. So minus of f of x, it means it is an odd function, and odd function, it means it is a Fourier sine series where only we have bn value. It means a naught will be 0. Next question, find an, find the value of an in the Fourier series f of x is equal to x cos x in minus pi to plus pi. Now f of x is equal to x cos x in Fourier series. So f of minus x, so wherever x is there, minus x, cos x means minus x as it is, cos of minus x plus cos x. So minus as it is, this is x cos x means minus of f of x. Thereby it shows that it is an odd function. So it is a Fourier sine series which has only bn value. It means our question an answer will be 0. No need to find the value. Now next question, find the value of b1 if f of x is equal to sin x in minus pi to pi. So f of x is equal to sin x minus pi to pi. As we know, sin x is an odd function. So bn formula is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. But our problem is b1. So n value is 1. So 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x means sin x, since it is given f of x sin x, where sin nx, n means 1 x. So this is sin x, this is sin x into sin x, sin square x, 2 by pi outside as it is, sin square x formula is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. These two cancel, 1 by pi integration 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2x dx. Integration 1 x, integration cos 2x sin 2x by 2. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Pi minus sin 2 pi by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus sin 0 by 2. Only pi, this 0, this 0, this 0, all will become 0. The answer is pi. Thereby this pi and this pi cancel. 1 is the answer. Now next, find bn if f of x is equal to x square in minus pi to pi by Fourier series. So f of x is equal to x square in minus pi to pi by Fourier series. F of minus x, that is minus x whole square. Since minus x whole square, only answer is x square, nothing but f of x plus f of x means it is an even function. So it is have cosine series. Even means cosine series where bn value will be 0. Okay, this is the advantage if we know the function is even or odd. Now next question, find the value of a naught. Find the value of a naught for f of x is equal to root of 1 minus cos x in minus pi to pi by Fourier series. So f of x is given. Now check f of minus x, root of 1 minus cos of minus x, cos of minus x, cos x. So this is nothing but our f of x with plus. So it is an even function. So a naught formula 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. What is f of x? Root of 1 minus cos x. As we know, 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos x formula 2 sin square x by 2. So 2 by pi, take root 2 outside, integration 0 to square and root cancel, sin x by 2. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 by pi as it is, sin x by 2 integration minus cos x by 2 by 1 by 2. This minus and 1 by 2, when coming to the numerator, it become minus 2. Now upper limit, cos pi by 2 minus cos 0 by 2. So minus plus minus, minus 4 root 2 by pi, cos 90, 0, cos 0, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus 4 root 2 by pi. This is the answer. Now this is very important question. Find the function of f of x is equal to x square. Expand the function f of x is equal to x square as a Fourier series in minus pi to plus pi. This question can be asked, provide proof that x square is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power of n cos nx by n square, where interval minus pi to pi. Hence, show that 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 12. Next, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to pi square by 6. Next, 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 8. Now let us see the solution. F of x is equal to x square in minus pi to pi by a Fourier series. Now f of minus x means minus x whole square. This is nothing but plus x square. So f of minus x, okay, so f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. It means it is an even function. So it is a Fourier cosine series. Cosine series means Bn value will be 0. Now we have only f of x is equal to f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. First we find a naught value. Formula is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x. What is f of x? X square. X square integration x cube by 3. Now 2 pi by 3 outside. Upper limit pi cube, lower limit 0. Pi cube minus 0 cube. This pi cube I can write as pi into pi square, so that pi cancel. 2 pi square by 3 is the answer. So a naught value is this one. Next, an formula 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx. What is f of x? X square. So multiplication is there using Bernoulli's rule. So this is u. U formula is u minus u dash plus u double dash. So x square minus derivative of x square 2x. 2x derivative is 2. So this is u. Now v, cos nx integration sin nx by n. Sin nx integration minus cosine nx by n square minus cosine nx by n square integration minus sin nx by n cube. Now limits apply. Upper limit minus lower limit. Here pi square sin pi by n minus 0 square sin n 0 by n. Next minus into minus plus 2 outside. X cos nx means pi cos n pi by n square minus 0 cos n into 0 by n square minus plus minus 2 by n cube sin n pi minus sin n 0. Sin value, all sin value will be 0. 0 minus 0. 2 pi cos n pi value we know minus 1 power of n. 0 into something by 0, all are 0. Minus this one 0, this one 0, whole will be 0. So 2 by pi outside as it is, 2 pi minus 1 power of n by n square. This 2, this pi and this pi cancel. 2 2s are 4, minus 1 power of n by n square. This is a n value. Now substitute this in a naught. Substitute the values of a naught, a n in first. Here see, a naught value is 2 pi cube by 3 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n is 4 into minus 1 power of n by n square cos nx. These two cancel, pi square by 3 plus take constant 4 outside, sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power of n cos nx by n square. Mark it as second equation. Now expand, see here, this is plus minus 1 power of n. So if I take minus here, then this will become minus 1 power of n plus 1 by n square. Now expand this, wherever n is sigma is there, first n 1, n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 by 1 square cos 1 into nx 1x plus minus 1 power of 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 by 2 square cos 2x plus minus 1 power of 3 plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x up to so on. So final answer, x square is equal to pi square by 3 minus 4, 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 1 square cos x. This is my odd number 3. So minus 1 by 2 square cos 2x. 3 plus 1 4. So it becomes 1 by 3 square cos 3x minus 1 by 4 square cos 4x. So on. This is a, mark it as third equation. Now put x is equal to 0 in third equation. Wherever x is there, 0. So 0 square is equal to pi square by 3 minus 4 into here x 0, x 0, x 0 and 4x 0 and so on. 0 square 0, pi square by 3 minus cos 0 1, 2 0 1, cos 0 1. So 1 square 1 by 1 square plus minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square up to so on. So this minus value sent to that side, it becomes 4 into 1 by 1 square plus minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 3. Since it is multiply, sent to divide, so it becomes pi square by 3 become pi square by 12. Mark it as fourth equation. Next, put x is equal to pi in third equation. Here pi square by 3 minus 4 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi up to so on. So pi square as it is, pi square by 3 minus 4 cos pi 1. Okay, cos pi value minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square cos 2 pi 1, cos 3 pi minus 1, cos 4 pi 1. Alternate plus or minus. So all here it is alternate plus or minus, here become all minus. So take out minus common, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to so on. Now send this to that, it become plus become minus, cross multiply 3 into pi square minus pi square by 3. So 3 pi square minus pi square 2 pi square, 4 multiply by here, it become 3 4s are 12. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So pi square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to so on. Mark it as fifth equation. Here we have fourth, here we have 5. Add these two equation. So add 5, fifth and sixth equation. Left side of fifth one plus right side of sixth is equal to left side of fifth plus right side of sixth. Now minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square cancel. Minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 square cancel. 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 1 square 2 by 1 square. 1 by 1 1 by 3 square 1 by 3 square 2 by 3 square 2 by 5 square up to so on. This is LHS. Now RHS, pi square by 12 pi square by 6, 12 and 6 LCM is, so this 6 I can write as 2 pi square by 12. So pi 12 is the same answer, pi square plus 2 pi square, 3 pi square by 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, pi square by 4. Now here take 2 common outside, 2 common outside, 2 into 4, 8. So pi square by 8 is the answer. Okay, now next question. F of x is equal to mod x. Okay, this is also a very important question. F of x is equal to mod x. Expand f of x as a Fourier series in minus pi to pi. Deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square, odd number, is equal to pi square by 8. Now see here, f of x is equal to mod x between minus pi to pi as a Fourier series. Mod x between 0 to pi. Now check it is a even or odd. F of minus x, mod of minus x, that is mod x, that is f of x, that is plus. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. It is a even function and it is a Fourier cosine series. Fourier cosine series means Bn value will be 0. F of x will be a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Mark it as first equation. Now a naught formula, we know that 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. What is f of x? Mod x. Mod x means x. So x integration x square by 2. These two cancel. 1 by pi outside. Apply limit. Pi square minus 0 square. This pi cancel, this one cancel. A naught will be pi only. Next an. An formula is this one. An is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. What is cos nx? Mod x. Mod x value is only x. Now apply Bernoulli's rule. This is u. So u minus derivative of u, x derivative 1. Integration cos nx integration sin nx by n. Sin nx integration minus cos nx by n square. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Pi sin n pi by n minus 0 sin 0 by n. Minus into minus plus cos n pi by n square minus cos n 0 by n square. Wherever sign is there, all are 0. This 0 minus 0 plus sin cos n pi minus 1 power of n by n square minus n into 0 0 cos 0 1 by n square. N square LCM is n square minus 1 power of n minus 1. So 2 into 2 pi n square minus 1 power of n minus 1. So here we will have two values, an, this is an value. So an value will be 0 if n is even. Here suppose n is equal to 2. So minus 1 power of 2 plus 1, 1 minus 1 0, all are 0. And minus 4 by n square pi if n is odd. Suppose just to substitute here 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 by n square pi. So an is 0 if n is even. An is equal to minus 4 by n square pi if n is odd. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now substitute a naught an in first equation. F of x, a naught value is pi, by 2 plus sigma n is equal to odd value 1 3 5 to infinity minus 4 by n square pi cos nx. This as it is minus plus minus 4 by pi sigma n is equal to 1 to 5 infinity 1 by n square cos nx. Now expand wherever n is there 1 3 5. So 1 by 1 square cos 1x plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x plus 1 by 5 square cos 5x up to so on. Mark it as second equation. So when x is equal to 0, mod x value will be mod 0, that is 0. So put x is equal to 2 in second equation. Here mod x 0 is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by pi. Now wherever x is there 0, here 0, 3 into 0, 5 into 0 up to so on. So plus pi by 2, send that side, it become minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 4 by pi cos 0 1, cos 3 into 0 0, cos 0 1, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square up to so on. Now send to that side, for this pi into pi, cross multiply, okay, pi into pi, pi square, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus minus cancel, pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on. Now next question, f of x, express the function f of x is equal to mod x cube as a Fourier series in minus pi to pi. So this is f of x mod x cube minus pi to pi interval as Fourier series. So f of minus x is equal to mod of minus x whole cube, that is plus x cube f of x. So it means it is a even function. Since it is even, it means it is a cosine series where Bn is 0. Now just f of x, that is mod x cube is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. This is the formula. Mark it as first equation and substitute. A naught value 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. What is f of x? Mod x cube. Mod x cube means only x cube. X cube integration x power of 4 by 4, 0 to 4. These two cancel. 1 by, see, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 by 2 pi. Now upper limit pi power of 4 minus 0 power of 4. Pi power of 4. So this one value cancel and one value cancel. Pi cube by 2. So a naught value is pi cube by 2. Now let us see this a n value. A n formula is this one. 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx. What is f of x? Mod x cube. What is mod x cube? Only x cube cos nx dx. Now using Bernoulli's rule, we will find this is u. So what is u formula? First u minus u dash x cube integration 3x square. 3x square derivative is 6x plus again minus 6x derivative minus 6. U minus u dash plus u double dash minus u triple dash. Now cos nx integration, cos nx integration sin nx by n, sin nx by n integration minus cos nx by n square. This integration minus sin nx by n cube. And last this integration minus into minus plus cos nx by n power of 4. Okay. Now upper this x cube sin nx by n minus into minus plus 3x square by n square, 3 by n square x square cos nx plus minus minus 6 by n cube x sin nx minus 6 by n square cos nx. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Here pi cube sine n pi by n minus 0 cube sine n 0 by n plus 3 by n square pi square cos n pi minus 0 square cos n 0 minus 6 by n cube upper limit minus lower limit pi sine pi minus 0 sine 0 minus 6 by n power of 4 cos n pi minus cos 0. Now simplification 2 by pi as it is. Wherever sign is there, all value will be 0. So this 0 and this 0 plus 3 by n square pi square. What is cos n pi? Remain 0 into something 0. Sine value and this sine value 0 minus 0 cos n pi as it is minus cos 0 1. Now rearrange this 2 by pi 3 pi square cos n pi. Okay, now take out this minus common outside. So minus into minus plus 6 by n power of 4 minus become plus 1 minus cos n pi. So 3 pi square by n square cos n pi. Cos n pi value is this 1 minus 1 power of n plus 6 by n power of 4 1 minus cos n pi minus 1 power of n. This is a n value. Now it means a n will be here this one 2 into this one 2 by pi 3 pi square by n square. This pi and this 1 pi cancel 2 3 is 6 pi by n square if n is even. And for this 2 by pi 12 by n power of 4 minus 3 pi square by n square if n is odd. For this. Now what we are going to do, a1 first we will find a1 a2 a3 a4. So here so we have a n value this one and this one. 1 means odd here 2 by pi 12 by 1 power of 4 minus 3 pi square by 1 square. 2 by pi 12 by 1 is 12 3 pi square. Okay, now this is the value of a1. Now a2 2 means even here 2 by pi 6 pi by n square 2 square. So this 2 by pi this 6 pi by 2 square 4. Okay, and here 3 this pi cancel. Okay, 2 6 by 2 square 4. So this 2 cancel and this 2 cancel. So it means 3 by 2 pi. Okay, 3 by 2. Now a2 value is 3 pi. This is 6 pi. So answer is 3 pi by 2. Now a3 2 by pi 12 here 12 by 3 power of 4. Okay, minus 3 pi square by 3 cube 3 square. 2 by pi as it is 12 3 power of 4 81 minus 3 pi square by 3 square 9. 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. So LCM 2 by 27 pi. Since 4 minus LCM is 9 pi square. This is a3. a0 value a4 value this one. Now it will not be here. See a2 value is 6 pi by 2 square. 2 square 4 2 ones are 2 threes are. So a2 value is 3 pi by 2. a4 means 6 pi by 4 square. 6 pi 4 square 16. 6 by 16 3 by 8 and so on. So what we will do, Substitute a naught, a1, an up first equation. F of x is equal to a naught pi cube by 2 plus 2 by pi, these values as we found a1, a naught is this one a1, 2 by pi 12 minus 3 pi square cos x plus 3 pi square by 2 cos 2x plus 2 by 27 pi 4 minus 9 pi square cos 3x plus 3 pi by 8 cos 4x up to so on. Now just simplify it. 2 to the 4 pi cube by 4, just all they will come down. So this is the final answer. Now next question, find the Fourier series to represent the function, this one, this is our function x sin x between minus pi to pi. Hence deduce that 1 by 1.3 minus 1 by 3.5, 1 by 5.7 up to pi minus 2 by 4. Now this is f of x in Fourier series. Now f of minus x, so minus x sine of minus x. As we know, sine minus x minus sine nx, sine x, minus into minus plus x sine nx. What is this is but f of x positive, positive mana even. Even means it is cosine series where bn value is 0, and f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Now just to find a naught, 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x dx. What is f of x? X sin x. Using Bernoulli's rule, so u x minus in derivative of x 1 integration sin x minus cos x integration minus sin x 0 to pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit, minus pi cos pi minus formula minus 0 cos 0 plus minus into minus plus sin pi minus sin 0. So 2 by pi minus pi, what is cos pi? We know minus 1, 0 into something 0, sin 0 0, all are 0. So 2 by pi minus into minus plus, pi 1s are pi, pi cancel, 2 is the answer. A naught value is 2. Now let us see an. So an formula is this one. An is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx. What is f of x? X sin x, cos nx as it is. Now this 1 by pi just send to inside, rearrange, it become 2 sin x cos nx and this x. Since we have a formula in trigonometry, 2 sin a cos b, sin sum plus sin difference. So sin x plus nx plus sin x minus nx. So this is, and this is u and this is v. So using Bernoulli's rule, x minus x and this one integration. Now this is x, derivative of x minus 1, and this v integration sin integration minus cos n plus 1 by n plus 1 x minus sin n minus 1 integration minus cos, minus into minus plus cos n minus 1 x by n minus 1, and this integration minus cos n plus 1 by n plus 1 integration minus sin n plus 1 x by n plus 1 whole square, like this one. So when we apply, all sign values will be vanish, all this and this 0, only remain minus cos n plus 1 by pi, and this is pi. Okay, so it means this pi and outside pi cancel, and this minus cos n plus 1 pi by n plus 1. N pi we know minus 1 and this one. So it become minus this. This whole value is minus of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus as it is cos n pi we know minus 1 power of this one minus 1 by n minus 1. Now just simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. So this minus 1 again minus 1 power of n plus 1 plus 1 n plus 2 by n plus 1 plus minus, see this minus 1 I can write as 2 minus 3. Minus 1 means 2 minus 3. So minus 1 power of n plus 2 minus 3 by n minus 1. Here see here what is the common thing, minus 1 by minus 1 power of n plus 2, and here same if we take n plus 2 common. So this is 1 by n plus 1 and here become minus 1 by n minus 1. Take out LCM, n minus 1 by n minus 1, n minus 1 minus of n plus 1 by n plus 1 n minus 1 n square minus 1. It become this minus 2 minus 1 power of n plus 1 by n square minus 1 where n not equal to 1. Now here put n is equal to 1. Here 1 minus 1 square 1 minus 1 0. Something by 0 means infinity. So a1 cannot be determined. Okay. Now put n is equal to 1 in equation 2. What is our equation 2? Just a glance, see here. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 by 2 sin x cos nx. So put n is equal to 1 in second equation. a1 1 by pi x 2 sin x cos 1x. So 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, that is sin 2x. This is we using Bernoulli's rule. X minus of derivative of x 1. Integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2. Again derivative minus sin 2x by 4. It is 2, it is become 4. 0 to pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Minus pi cos 2 pi by 2 minus 0. Minus 0 cos 2 0 by 2. Plus minus into minus plus sin 2 pi by 4 minus sin 2 0 by 4. So 1 by pi, this is minus pi cos 2 pi by 2, 0 into something 0, sin values will be 0. Last answer 1 by pi minus pi cos 2 pi by 2, minus pi pi cancel, minus 1 cos 2 pi value is 1. So minus 1 by 2, a1 value is minus 1 by 2. Now substitute in first equation. So x sin x is equal to a naught by 2, 2 by 2 minus a1, this minus 1 by 2 cos x plus sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity 2 into minus 1 power of n plus 1 by n square minus 1 cos nx. These two cancel, 1 will be the answer, minus 1 by 2 cos x, take minus 2 outside, n plus 1 become n plus 2. Now open this one x sin x 1 minus cos x minus 2. Here if we apply 2 here, it become 1 by 1. Here see n square minus 1, I can write as n minus 1 n plus 1. So if we substitute 2 minus 1 2 plus 1 1 into 3 cos 2x. If we substitute 3 minus 1 power of 3 plus 2 5, that is minus 1 3 minus 1 3 plus 1 2 into 4 cos 3x. Likewise 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 4 cos 4x up to so on. Now here put x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 sin pi by 2 left side, 1 minus sin 1 by 2 cos pi by 2, here pi by 2, here pi by 2, here pi by 2 and so on. This is plus 1 send to that side, it become minus 1 pi by 2 sine 90 1. So pi by 2 into 1, pi by 2 minus 1 equal to this sine 90 0. 2 to cancel, cos pi is minus 1 by 1.3. 3 pi by 2, it will go 0. 1 by 3.5, 4 pi by 2 means 2 pi, cos 2 pi is 1. So 1 by 3.5. So minus, here take the LCM, 2 into pi, 2 pi, pi minus 2 by 2. So this 2, it will come here 4. Pi minus 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 1.3 minus 1 by 3.5 up to so on. So here this video concludes and Fourier series chapter closed. Before closing, again, this is my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all.